Dead Weather. Down. Tore down 3 of 31 best metal bands from the American South, 56 of 133 best stoner rock bands, 6 of 143 best sludge metal bands. Dashboard Confessional. Dashboard Confessional. Me First and Gimmes. Foxboro Hot Tubs. Tom Tom Club. More Tom Tom Club, 1453 of 1728, the best rock bands of all time, 1491 of 1891, the greatest musical artists of all time, 57 of 99, the best musical duos. Gov't Mule. More Gov't Mule, the best Gov't Mule albums of all time, 146 of 225, the best blues artists of all time, 16 of 40, the best bands named after desert animals. Method Man and Redman. Method Man and Redman. Dolly Parton, Linda Ronstadt, and Emmylou Harris. Mike plus the Mechanics. The Breeders. The Breeders. Bungle. Eagles of Death Metal. Eagles of Death Metal. Gnarls Barkley. The Raconteurs. More The Raconteurs, the best Jack White albums, ranked 189 of 541, the greatest live bands of all time, 65 of 136, the best musical artists from Michigan. Them Crooked Vultures. Them Crooked Vultures. Mad Season. Gorillaz. Gorillaz. Velvet Revolver. More Velvet Revolver, 74 of 156. The best hair metal bands of all time, 127 of 392. The greatest heavy metal bands of all time, 263 of 265, ranked the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees. A Perfect Circle. More A Perfect Circle, the best of Perfect Circle albums, ranked 49 of 93. The best opening act you ever seen, 127 of 152. The best hard rock bands / artists. Derek and the Dominos. More Derek and the Dominos, all the drugs, murder, adultery, and disaster around Eric Clapton's Layla, 87 of 356 musicians who belong in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, one of 221 bands / artists with only one great album. The Highwaymen. Temple of the Dog. More Temple of the Dog, 11 of 40, the best supergroups ever made, 61 of 84, the best dad rock bands that are totally worth your time, 6 of 28, great one-hit wonder artists of the 90s. Traveling Wilburys. More Traveling Wilburys, 79 of 263. The greatest classic rock bands, 989 of 1019, the worst bands and musicians of all time, 67 of 329, the best Americana bands and artists of all time,
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.